Hello everybody, this year's Headfest Tractor Truck and Vintage Run is back for 2026 at Headford Cooperative Mart next Saturday, May the 30th at 3 p.m. This year's chosen charity is Tuam Cancer Care West. Afterwards, there is a mega party back at Monaghan's Big Marquee with Jenny Green and Queen. After this short intro, Kevin McNicholas is going to do a route of the run, and we're hoping to see you all here next Saturday at Headford Cooperative Mart. We want to take this opportunity to thank every tractor, truck and vintage car that has participated in the Headfest run over the years, which has raised thousands of euros for charity. See you all May the 30th, Saturday, Headford Cooperative Mart at 3 p.m.
Flat 300. They were at it. One. Don't bother, Johnny. Into long 4 left. 4 right, long 4 left, 40. No, my way, please. Caution. 6 left over gravel. 6 left over gravel.